Tutorial hell might be the worst place to be if you are a programmer, needing help to work on every project, but being good enough to start working on projects. And you find yourself in this loop where you think you're making progress because you're starting a project, and then when it's time to work on your project without help or a tutorial, you're unable to do it. Now, to understand why this happens is to look on the skills needed to be a good programmer. You need critical thinking skills and good problem solving skills to be a good programmer. And to be a good problem solver, you have to be able to solve problems on your own without having the answers. And always following tutorials does not provide you and does not strengthen the muscle of problem solving. Think of it like this. If you had the answers to all the tests you've ever written at school, would you be smarter or dumber? You'll likely be dumber because you have the answers right there. You didn't have to study. You did not have to do the hard work. And the true knowledge of learning comes from doing the hard work and putting in effort to learning. If you have all the answers, you're never gonna develop the skills that you want to. And now we come at a crossroads, right? Nizar, I've tried this. I'm not good enough to learn code on my own. I'm not good enough to do projects on my own. I need someone to help me with the tutorial. How I beat tutorial hell was not through coding on my own without help. Instead, I still followed tutorials, but what you want to do is slightly change stuff within the code every now and then while in this tutorial. So maybe change a color font, maybe change a button feature, and even better, if you can do this, it would be amazing, is maybe add a specific feature that was not provided to you within the code. What happens here is that you're able to get the help that you truly need to build a project, but you're developing the true critical thinking and problem solving skills that will come with programming when you are doing these little tasks on your own within the project. This comes because you're going to run into bugs and you're going to run into problems, and this time you're not going to have the guy there to help you. You're going to have to start Googling, you're going to start having to search for help, and in that is where the true value and improvement comes. So if you can do this, you will see significant growth in your coding. I still do this sometimes now where I follow someone and I change stuff because it is super valuable. You're getting the good code and good frameworks that come with code, but you are also learning and applying your own skills to the project. So I hope this brought value to you, overcoming tutorial hell. It's quite simple to overcome, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.